How to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp, click on three dots at the top right. Then, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Account at the top. Then at the bottom, you'll find Delete Account. There is no direct way to deactivate your WhatsApp account, but what you can do is delete or indirectly do. Open Settings, go to Apps and Notifications. Then click on WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, go to Notifications again. After you click on Notifications, turn Notifications off. After you turn notifications off, you won't get any notifications of WhatsApp. Then go back and then click on Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. After you click on it, turn on Disable Data Usage. What it does is it won't use WhatsApp while you're on your data. And another thing you can do is go to Display, hold on to the WhatsApp icon, and then uninstall the app. You can simply uninstall and install it when you want to activate it again. And this is how to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.